Now, we're going to show you the windmill to the left. This is a little tricky because it doesn't really involve our basic. However, conceptually, it's the same as the windmill to the right. We're starting with our first two steps of our basic, 1, 2, and now Melina's going to step back. I'm stepping forward outside partner 3. Now, what happens here is Melina steps to my side and forward 1. She walks around 2, 3. She turns her back, 4, 5, and closes, and then 1, 2, 3, side, close. So we'll take it from this angle. So we're going 1, 2, 3. Slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and slow, 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 side, close. And we'll do it in dance position. Slow, slow, slow,